Welcome back. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you the AverageIF function. What it does is calculate the average of range based on one criteria. As an example, we have the store departments table here, sales by quarter. Let's say I want to get the average of sales where the department is closed in second quarter. So how do I do that? I'm gonna use the AverageIF function because we have one criteria here. So that will be equal, and then I'm gonna write my function here. That's the function name, AverageIF parentheses. First thing I need to get is found the department that I need the average on. And what is that department? It is the closed department. And then from there, I need the column that has the numbers that we need the average for. So this will be the second quarter. And then I'll close my parentheses, enter. It will be 4,000. I'm not going to format this because we haven't gotten to the formatting lesson yet. So it is 4,000, as you can see, 4 with 3 zeros. So average sale for close in second quarter, it will be 3,500 plus 4,500, which is 8,000, divided by 2 because we only have 2 categories under the close department. So 8,000 divided by 2, it gives us 4,000. So this is how you calculate the average. You use the AverageIF function. I will see you in the next lesson.